Hi, my name is NinjaEatPie, and I will be discussing how to make a grid swipe in After Effects. Now first you want to make sure that your composition settings are correct. I have the composition settings that I used on the screen right now. Now you want to first make a solid lane. After that, you want to go into the Effects and Presets panel. It should pop up as CC Grid Swipe in the transition setting after you search in the Effects and Presets panel. Now for the grid swipe, you should put the keyframe at 0 seconds. You should put your completion at 0%. At 1 second, you should put it at 100%. This video is 5 seconds long, so at the end of the video, or rather transition, you should put your completion at 4 seconds at 100%. After Effects will not know that you want your completion to maintain 100% unless you put it there manually. After you put 100% for completion, then at 5 seconds put 0 for it to filter out correctly. We just created the CC grid swipe. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will try to help you as best as I can. Thank you and have a lovely day.